What's up, guys? Nice to see you here at the Una Spanish School. My name is Luisa, but you can call me Lu. Last week, I was invited by a local music group from Bogota called Cacao Munch to an event in the ecological park Casa Colibri, located 1 hour from Bogota. I wanted to share this experience with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. So for the lesson of today, we are practicing how to talk about past experience in Spanish. If you have any question or if you want to tell me what you think about this video or your opinion about the activities that we did, the music, the people, or anything related, I'll be thrilled to read you all.
Teacher Luisa will tell you about her amazing day in Spanish. After she speaks, please pause the video and try to write down what you heard. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.
El sábado pasado, mis amigos me recogieron en mi casa. Tuvimos que cruzar la ciudad y parar en diferentes semáforos.
What did Luisa just said?
Por el camino, comimos algunos snacks que Carla, mi amiga, llevó. Comimos arándanos y sándwiches.
What did Luisa just said?
Donde paramos en una tienda para comprar un six-pack de cerveza andina, cerveza colombiana.
What did Luisa just said?
Nos encontramos a mi amiga Gigi y ella nos dio un tour por el lugar.
What did Luisa just said?
Luego de escuchar algo de música, conocimos a Antonia.
What did Luisa just said?
Después de la feria, caminamos un poco y nos encontramos a esta belleza nadando en el lodo.
What did Luisa just said?
Luego subimos a un mirador.
What did Luisa just said?
Donde apreciamos la belleza de la naturaleza.
What did Luisa just said?
Bajando del mirador, pasamos por un gallinero. Vimos muchas gallinas y un par de gallos. Y a este gran personaje.
What did Luisa just said?
Su nombre es Blue y él es el perro ciego de Casa Colibrí.
What did Luisa just said?
Lo acariciamos por un rato y jugamos con él.
What did Luisa just said?
Y ese fue el final de nuestro grandioso día.
What did Luisa just said?
Lleno de amigos, música y muchas experiencias por compartir.
What did Luisa just said?
Chicos, déjenme saber en los comentarios qué opinaron de estas actividades y si ustedes alguna vez han participado en un evento parecido a este. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.
Hola familia de Una, nosotros somos Cacao Munch. Un saludo desde Colombia.
Los invitamos a conocer este hermoso país, este paraíso.
How did you guys do? Find all the answers of this exercise in our website www.doanaspanishschool.com.